Hey guys, welcome to Law Today. In today's video, we'll be looking at trademark search. The reason why I'm going to be talking about trademark search is because the moment we think of an idea or of a company or starting a business or even a small shop, we are going to be thinking of a nice name to go along with it. A nice name, a nice logo, and all that is what will come to our mind. The reason why we have trademarks is to differentiate ourselves from the existing players in the market. Firstly, we don't want to be copying someone else's trademark, nor do we want other people to copy our trademarks. So how do you ensure that the name or the logo that you keep for your company or a shop is unique? For that, we need to do a trademark search. So that brings us to this website called ipindiaonline.gov.in. So it is basically a database where the existing trademarks or existing applications, the statuses of the applications are all given in this website. So how do we get to the website? I will give you the link in the description, or you can just go look for trademark search on Google and you can click the first link, which will bring you to this page. So now we have thought of the business. Now we are going to name it. Now we have to ensure that our name is unique. So for that, we need to first look at the class. So the reason why we are looking at classes is mainly because trademarks can fall into different classes. I can start any business and name it whatever I want to and put it in different classes. For example, I can start a business XYZ. It can be a juice shop, it can be a transport business, or it can even be a hotel. The flexibility lies within me to do what I want with the business, and I can choose any name that I want to. So that option is available to me. So now, after having said that, now we have to see which category does the business fall under. So for the sake of trademark identification, they have categorized it into 45 categories. So we have to look into where your business falls under. That's the first step. For example, if you want to start a hotel, just type in the keyword hotel in the search term. After that, there will be some pop-ups which you can close. If there are no pop-ups, then fine. You can look at all the classes that are relevant for you. So mostly it's going to be on class 43, which is the most relevant for hotel services. So assuming we want to start something called, out of the blue, we think of the same name as Oyo, and you want to see whether it's unique or not. So we put in Oyo, assuming it's the name that you actually thought of for your company, and you put it in the class 43, you'll know whether it's unique or not. So right here, Oyo is not a unique name. So all that is there is Oyo Hotels, Oyo Inns. So all these have already been registered. And if you click on more details, you will get details on the name, application number, the date, who the proprietor is, journal number, the status. All this is clearly given once you go into these details. So if at all you want to start a juice business, you can just type in juice and you will know which category it falls under. Or if you want to start milk business, and you just have to type in milk and you will know where you actually fit in. So your business is definitely going to be fitting into one of these. Or if you're going to start machinery, I'll just put machine, and then you'll know where you fall under. So this gives you a clear picture of where your business is going to fall under which class. So once you understand the class, you type in the class. After that, we'll take another example. If you're starting a business of transportation, let's say transport business. If you're looking at transport, then we can see it falls under class 39. So we know Uber is one of the businesses that fall under the class of 39, which is transport. So let's see what they have registered. if we go through that, we'll understand that Uber Technologies has registered certain trademarks in their name. So these are all already registered and you cannot do the same. So basically you just have to type in your company. If it can be 39 again, and it can be anything Bharat. If your word mark or something has Bharat in it, let's see if there is already something. So there are already companies which are Bharati Cabs, Bharat Cabs, all these similar names will also pop up, and then you can decide whether or not you can choose this name or not. So it give you a clear idea before selecting a name for your company. And it is important to do this because after you become popular and famous, it will be difficult for you to get the trademark if it is already being used by someone else. So it will become close to impossible to get the same name. So then you will have to change the name and a lot of other issues crop up. So anytime you start a business, make sure you do a trademark search and then see if that name is popping up. If it's just, say, let's say Luminous for a transport business, you can name it Luminous and see whether it's valid or not. But if you look at it, they've already registered all this. So the thing is, you have to ensure that once you put in the name and you find that no records are found, that's when you'll know it is actually unique. So this is how you approach the entire trademark search. If there's any queries, please post it in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. If you want me to help you out with the trademark search, you can also email me. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.